How to prepare last year tax return using H&R Block Online. Let's get started. To prepare last year's tax return using H&R Block Online, start by gathering all the relevant tax documents, including W-2 forms, 1099s, last year's tax return for reference, and receipts for deductible expenses such as medical cost, charitable donations, or business expenses. Go to H&R Block website and either log into your account or create a new one. However, since prior year's returns are not supposed through their online platform, you'll need to download and install the H&R Block desktop software for the specific tax year. Visit the prior year tax software section on their website. Purchase the software for the appropriate year and install it on a computer. Once the software is installed, open it and start a new return by entering your personal details such as your name, social security number, and filing status. Next, input your income details from W2S, 1099s, or other income sources. The software will guide you step by step through the process of entering deductions and credits, such as student loan interest, retirement contributions, or medical expenses. After entering all that information, review the return thoroughly to ensure there are no errors. The software will calculate whether you are due a refund or owe taxes based on the data you provided. When you are ready to file, note that e-filing may not be available for prior year's returns as the IRS only allows e-filing for the current and immediate past tax year. In this case, print your completed return directly from the HR Block software and mail it to the correct IRS address for the year you are filing. Check the IRS website to confirm the appropriate mailing address based on your location and the filing type. If you owe taxes, make a payment as soon as possible to minimize any late filing or payment penalties. Additionally, remember to file your state tax return if applicable, as H&R Block software supports state filings. Once you have mailed your return, you can track your refund using the IRS Where's My Refund tool. By following these steps, you can successfully prepare and file last year's tax return using H&R Block software. So this way you can prepare last year tax return using H&R Block Online. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.